Best deals. 1. Chopper. Made of food-grade PP plastic, which can safely produce a variety of food for your family. The vegetable chopper is operated manually and is very easy to use thanks to the pulling mechanism. Rotatable blades are placed at different points on the peeler, making it possible to cut fruit and vegetables more precisely, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Blades further enhance its durability and guarantee a safe and reliable chopping experience. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Mini electric chopper. Designed with busy moms in mind. The bowl and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Slicer. Vegetable cutter multifunctional lets you slice, strip, dice, and julienne your vegetables safely in seconds. 40+ different cuts do not need to change blades. This mandolin chopper for kitchen vegetable cutter for kitchen slicer is perfect for cutting potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, cabbage cutter, carrots and more. Comes with 3 cutting options and 30 thickness options ranging between 1 mm and 8 mm. The mandolin is easy to clean under water or a dishwasher machine. Push-to-cut vegetable chopper has a collapsible design. You can fold and tuck it away into your cabinet or drawer after use. This also makes it easier to bring anywhere. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Push chopper. Super sharp stainless steel blades are placed at different levels in such a way that they cover the entire height of the chopper, and manage to chop very easily in seconds. Chopping becomes more convenient with the push of the lever as your entire weight comes into play. Complete chopping your vegetables or whisking your eggs with just a few pushes. Control the size you want with the number of pushes. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mini electric vegetable cutter. Can quickly chop food in seconds. It is more convenient to cut and side dishes, fresh ingredients. Easily prepare a variety of ingredients to cook, save time and effort. Use it once and fall in love with it. You can also slice food. Prepare food for your baby, mashed pumpkin, mashed banana, etc. Meat and shrimp food can also be mashed. The meat needs to be cut into strips, and then put into the machine. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Chopper. The vegetable chopper has 6 blades to meet your needs for cutting vegetables in various shapes. Slicer is made of rust-proof and durable stainless steel which can maintain the sharpness of the blade and realize clear and smooth cutting and grinding. The food dicer has a built-in drain basket. You can put the washed vegetables into it. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Electric chopper. This powerful chopper electric for kitchen has super fast processing capabilities. Easy to chop with sharp stainless steel blades from every 360-degree angle. The onion chopper can evenly chop multitude of ingredients, including chopped onions, garlic, potato, ginger, carrots, meat and nuts. The electric vegetable chopper designed with 4 bowls and 2 sharp blades. One large capacity 600 megaliters bowl with 3 240 megaliters bowls for different chopping use. Meet your need cutting multiple ingredients at once. The stack and press design makes this electric vegetable chopper easy to assemble and use. Simply press the top button to chop and release to stop. It will automatically turn off after 30s of chopping. Non-slip base help the mini chopper keep stability and reduce noise generation. Equipped with a scraper, convenient for scraping out the ground meat. The butterfly chopper 4 bowls are made from BPA-free, food-grade materials. This garlic chopper is safe for your family's health. The veggie chopper built-in to 1500 mAh. Battery, 4.5 hours fully charged. The bowl, lid and removable blades of the vegetable chopper for kitchen are all washable. It's easy to disassemble for speedy cleanup. Simply finish cleaning under running water. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Safety is paramount, and this electric mini chopper ensures peace of mind. LT is equipped with a safety auto-off feature that stops the blades from spinning when the container is opened, preventing accidents and ensuring user safety. Rechargeable chopper is designed with busy moms in mind. Thibault blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. Chopper is crafted from high-quality food-grade materials, ensuring that your food remains safe and free from any potential contaminants. The 304 stainless steel blades further enhance its durability and guarantee a safe and reliable chopping experience. Food Crusher can help you more quickly and no more tears when you chop onions, garlic, and chili. Food Crusher can help you more quickly and no more tears when you chop onions, garlic, and chili. Made of food-grade PP plastic, which can safely produce a variety of food for your family. Sturdy ABS plastic and 100% BPA-free materials make the vegetable chopper kitchen durable and safe for regular use. Built-in rust-resistant stainless steel blade making faster cutting speed, quick preparation of vegetable salads, French fries, onion cutter for kitchen and more. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Chopper. Unique string function to chop vegetables and fruits with ease, made from unbreakable ABS plastic for long-lasting use. Sturdy 3-blade design made from stainless steel, this container is made of BPA-free food-grade material which is durable and suitable for chopping all kinds of vegetables. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Chopper. Large break-resistant container with rubber grip base which holds the device firmly in place, fastest, safest and easiest way to chop or dice fruits and vegetables, not dishwasher safe. Other features: easy to use, clean and store, hand operated, no electricity needed. The container is break resistant, extra sharp stainless steel blades, advanced push to clean button which ensures easy and hygienic cleaning, high quality stainless steel blades for easy chopping, sharp pyramid shaped cutting blade for efficient and smooth cutting, large detachable container which can also be used to store vegetable and fruits in refrigerator. The large container is featured with unbreakable plastic for long-lasting usage. The veggie cutter is very easy to use and is featured with a non-skid base for the effortless use and satisfying results. The blades are made up of premium quality stainless steel for smooth chopping. For easy chopping, the blades are sharp and pyramid shaped. The chopper comes with advanced push button which ensures easy and hygienic cleaning. The container can also be used to store vegetable and fruits in refrigerator. The chopper comes with different kind of blades for variations in chopping and dicing. It also comes with a peeler with sharp stainless steel blade. Product link is given in the 9th link.